Hey, what's up, Chad? I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me, they coming for my life. I don't stop at night. It's Molly Miss. I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me.
YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Pablo Savage 392, and I'm back with one of them things, man. Listen, I had to come get Big Daytona right because we're going on our first rally today. Today is rally day. You know what I'm saying? I'm hyped about that. So we at the Jeep Dodge Westside dealership in Jacksonville, Florida. Man, they got some heat in here, bro. You know what I'm saying? You see this Gladiator right here? That thing pressure. Then they got this Durango Hellcat with the interior. You know what I'm saying? This thing go crazy. Big Hellcat head. Y'all see that? That bit is huge. Yes, sir. They got everything in here, bro. I'm lit. Check this out. Can't say I'm a huge fan of the Durango because it's so long. You can see it's long. But this interior is bananas with the forged carbon. Y'all see the forged carbon right there? The Harman Kardon sound system. Ooh, this thing look good. I love this in steering wheel, man. Got TVs. Yes, sir. Big display screen. Y'all see that thing? That forged carbon make everything look good, though. I like that. I like that. I like that. Yes, sir. I like that. I like that. Big Hellcat thing. And y'all know I want one of these so bad. They could take Big Daytona. Just give me one of these babies right here, man. If you don't know, it is big Trackhawk season. Trackhawk season. Oh, I deserve to be in one of these, bruh. Yes, sir. With the suede rooftop. Oh my goodness. How much? This is base $96,000, $100,000 after everything. Y'all see it. Y'all recording? Yeah, you see that. 96K. This interior go crazy though with the peanut butter joint. Oh, that's so hard. Man, I need to put me in this. I wish, man, I wish. You got the knob right there, the switch, sport, track, auto, snow, and tow. Different drive modes, custom. You can launch that thing. Yeah, I know they had a launch button. You got this right here. Big display screen.
How much is that one?
Don't let that thing crank up.
115.
Yes, sir. Ship mode. Yes, sir. I like that carbon fiber everywhere. Y'all see that? Peanut butter guts. I look good. I look good having out of one of these stuff. It's coming though. Y'all believe that? What's up, gang? Chillin'. Y'all see that big Brembo? I just did that on Big Daytona. Y'all see that? That looks good though. I like the way that one set up. Yes, sir. Trackhawk season. And widebody cat daddy right here. Y'all see. I can't do no coupe though. Not no more. I used to want a coupe, but I can't do a coupe no more. Oh. This look long, man. This here. Yeah, see, I can't. The cabin in this is good though. No moonroof though. No moonroof. But the cabin is good. Man, I'm 2022, I'm being the cat. Y'all believe that? Watch me. Y'all watch me grind. Y'all gotta watch these videos and watch these ads though. If y'all don't watch the ads, I never jump down in cat daddy, you know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all watch them ads. You know what I'm saying? Like, comment, subscribe. Share the videos with y'all friends and family, man. Run that thing on up, man. Share with your family. This is a Grand Cherokee. I got a review of one of those coming soon. I'm gonna do one 707 Ryu and his wife, they just bought one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on the tummy. Let's go out here and see what they got outside, man. Y'all, I got to get in the cat daddy. Y'all gotta make it happen. As a team, we gotta make it happen. I'm gonna put out the content. Y'all watch the content. Y'all like, share with all y'all friends and family. And then we gonna run this thing on up, man. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, brother. 1320 thing. Smoke show great. Y'all already know. They need to give me these fucking wheels. That's...
We got back seats too.
Huh?
We got back seats too. You don't usually see that with a 1320.
For real?
You dead serious?
Damn. So they really built it out like a drag car.
Yep.
Wow, bro.
Got the demon drivetrain and suspension.
Hell yeah, brother. This one locked?
Yeah. We're at the King Street.
Shit, you working? Tell me where you at, brother.
Jack's Chrysler Jeep on the west side, 7030 Commonwealth Avenue. We're looking to have a decent month here, so come holler at me, ask for Tim. You know, I'll treat you right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I like that, though. We got big Daytona, man. I'm trying to. I think when I do anything, I'm trying to jump to a cat. But I know that markup crazy, so.
We got a used one. We bought this year.
For real?
2020 widebody.
That is out here? You talking about the one in the lobby? Bless you. Granite. Hey, if that big gone, I believe you, brother. They don't play no games. Okay. So y'all see a lot, man. I seen they got a few track outs up there. Y'all actually got a lot. Yeah. Damn. I count 3 or 4 already. Oh, that ain't no track out. Why they play it on my top like that? They just threw a track out badge on that bit. So I done walked over to the Mopar section, the big Mopar section. I don't see too much heat. I see a lot of black top editions. Y'all see those right there. You know what I'm saying? They got one Scat right there, RT thing. Right there, GT, RT, they go another, that's a 5.7. This TA thing go crazy though. Jeez. Matte black hood. Somebody help me get these wheels. I need them in the 305, 315 size, man. I wonder, can they just trade me? Take 2 off mine, give me these 2. You know what I'm saying? So I can look how that wide look, man. What else they got out here? Ain't too much heat. I don't see no heat. They got a whole, they need to spread these out. They 2021s, but god damn, y'all, that color. I don't like this color. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not a fan of this color, bro. Just not a fan of this color. I don't know why. I just don't like it. I think when I first seen it, I thought it was sweet. Then now I'm more so like, nah, it'll help you stand out. Like if you want your shit to be different, it'll help with that. But I see a lot of 2020 like these 2021s right here, Challenger RT Scatpacks. They ain't got no Charger Scatpacks out here. I see a lot of, like I said, all these are black top. Ain't nobody looking for no V6 or no V4. We all want 6.4, 6.2. If it ain't 6.4, 6.2, we ain't looking at it. We ain't even smelling the interior of that thing. What's up, brother? Well, they sold it already?
They're pushing it through the shop.
Oh, for real? Hell yeah.
Still for sale.
I had to leave the dealership for a change because the wait, I asked him how long would it take, and he told me it would have been like an hour, hour and a half. Then he came back and was like, it's gonna be longer because they hadn't even put my car on the bay. So I was like, all right. So I came to the quick lube because I gotta get fresh oil in the car. I was down to 19%. That wasn't gonna be enough to do a rally run, and especially if we're gonna be hitting it and on it, you know what I'm saying? So I had to make sure. And so hold on. 128. Hey.
Yep, your car takes 7 quarts of oil.
This shit was free at the dealership.
Hit your button here.
Uh-huh.
One more time. Now hit the gas pedal for the 4, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4,
$28. Doesn't even cost that much at the dealership. God damn. Wait, can I get a top off? Okay. Okay. Appreciate it. Alright. Appreciate you, bro. Thanks, man. Thank you. Better be going crazy the whole time I've been in this short. 128, baby. You can't be playing those type of games. But it had to be done because I couldn't ride with the low fuel thing. So let's get up out of here. Go home and put on something decent. Woo! That sideways just now, I was almost back in the other side of the traffic. That's why I was like, woo! That car was coming kind of fast. He wasn't gonna slow down, so. But we good. It's all good, man. I can't believe that shit just cost me that much money, though. I would have got my shit changed yesterday, man, but shit, people at work, we messed up the vibe, bro. Damn sure would have did that shit yesterday. And it would have been free. I ain't gonna care. I thought it was spent like $100, $90. You know discount saying. And I still ain't went to wash the car. So I gotta hurry up. Go get this done. Go home. Man, I might just go with this on, bro. What I got on. So fuck it. Just go wash the car and then go meet them. We meeting up. Okay, so today is the Genesis Rally Cruise, you know what I'm saying? So we're meeting up at Puster's Bar up in Ponte Vedra. So I got about a 30-minute drive from here. Then that's what's that? I'm about to be in the hood. Once I leave Puster's Bar, well, no. So right now, okay, the whole thing is I'm finna go. I gotta put on a Pablo shirt. I don't care. This is not a stop sign. Put on Pablo shirt.
handle that shit first. I be running through